Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch on your Casio A100WE. So what you want to do while you are in your home screen is to press the mode button, which is going to be the one on the left bottom corner. So this one right here. If we press it once, we are going to arrive at the alarm settings, and if we press the button once again, we are going to arrive at the stopwatch. Now this stopwatch doesn't have all the variants, so all the functions that a Casio G-Shock watch would have, but it is pretty simple. We have the start button, so the one on the right bottom corner, which you can press in order to start, pause, you can read, and as you can see we have seconds and 1/10 of a second, so in this case 6/10 of a second. I can resume, pause, and we can use the reset button, which is going to be the one on the top left corner, in order to reset to 0. Now something really cool is that you can start the stopwatch, you can press the mode button, go and do your stuff around, and the stopwatch is going to run in the background. So in case you want to, let's say, see how long it took you to make a certain dish, a recipe, your workout, it doesn't matter. You can have the home screen on in order to see the time. And then if you press the mode button twice, you will arrive at the stopwatch, which has been running in the background. You can also stop it, press the mode button, continue to do your stuff. Let's say you are making a workout, you have a short pause, and then you want to resume. You can go to the stopwatch, and as you can see, it has remained where we stopped it. So the stopwatch can either run in the background or remain stopped while you do your other things. In order to reset it, you can press the upper left button, and I'm going to press the mode button in order to arrive once again in my home screen. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio A100, so also how to set the alarm, the hourly beep, also how to turn them on and off, and also how to set the time and date, I will leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot, and I will see you on the next one.